Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to generate and debug the code with Claude AI. Shockingly accurate. Let's get started. First, you need to ask Claude to generate a code from the scratch. You can give Claude a clear instruction like write a Python script that fetches weather data using the API and display the forecast. And Claude will write readable, efficient code with helpful comments. You can even ask more like explain each line for learning purposes. Then also, you can use Claude for code explanations. Have a block of code you don't understand, paste it, and say, explain what this code does in simple terms. And the Claude will break it down line by line, making it easier to understand and modify. Then you can also debug like a pro with Claude. If your code throws errors, just copy and paste the error message with the code and ask, why is this code not working and how to fix it? And then the Claude will analyze the logic, spot syntax issues, and even suggest a corrected version. And here you can also optimize the refactor code. If you want a cleaner or fast code, you can say, make this Canva JavaScript more readable or beginners, then refactor this code, make it more efficient. And the Claude will adjust the structure and explain why changes help. Whereas whether the Python, JavaScript, and C++, or even more frameworks like React or Flask, Claude can generate and debug across multiple stacks. Just be clear in your prompts. And that's how you can generate, debug, and level up your code with Claude. Fast, accurate, and shockingly helpful. Perfect for beginners and pros alike. And that's it. Please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.